You know, I bought this on a whim. I really wasn't even going to buy this, but this is a 08-09 Skybox basketball box. Supposed to be 3 memorabilias and 1 auto in every box. There are 12 packs in this, 10 cards per pack, 120 cards. So I haven't seen much YouTube stuff on this box. So I figured, you know what the hell? Let me give it a go. So I think the box ended up costing around 70 or something, give or take. And Skybox is old school. It's kind of cool to have them back. The old Jordan Skybox cards. So, for anybody who remember those. So let's see what we get in the Skybox. I'm interested to see, since I haven't really seen a lot of stuff. A lot of breaks from this. Alright, here we go. And first card is a LeBron base, just to show you what the base of Skybox looks like. That's pretty much it. It's got basically the highlighted player is in color, and then the rest of the guys are in black and white. So pretty cool. Gold foil on the rest. Here's a Patrick Ewing's close-up. Base, and here's a Metal Universe of Sean Marion. That's old school right there, Metal Universe stuff. And here's an Orlando. Whoops. Here's an Orlando Tucker. Don't do that on videos, people. Do not drop cards like I just did. Here's an Orlando Tucker on sticker auto. Alright, it's not numbered or anything, but it's a decent sig if nothing else. Shaquille O'Neal close-ups. And a Monta Ellis close-ups. These are not numbered, any of these. Here's a rookie of Alex Ajinça from the Bobcats. And this one's in red. So this has got to be, yeah, numbered 35 of 50. So you can see it's red. Serially numbered of Josh Boone. 35 of 50 right there. Okay. Close-ups of Chris Paul. Skybox is made by Upper Deck. For you guys who do not know, here's a Big O, Oscar Robertson, close up. Pretty cool shot of him, actually. Metal Universe of Rashard Lewis. Yeah, Skybox is made by Upper Deck. It's meant to be like a mid-tier product, basically. So here's a rookie of Nicholas Batum from the Trailblazers. This kid with some talent. Here's a dual. Oh, this is a nice one. Here's a dual jersey. It looks like a patch in a jersey of LeBron James and Gilbert Arenas. 2 studs right there. LeBron James, Gilbert Arenas, 1-on-1. That's very nice. Anything with LeBron is A-OK in my book. So, pretty cool. Arenas is one of those guys. Here's a Tim Duncan close-ups. Arenas is a stud. He's just got to get healthy. Here's a Vince Carter close-up. Some of those Washington Wizards, Cleveland Cavaliers playoff series was pretty sick with Arenas and LeBron going back and forth. Arenas is one of the best offensive players in the league, in my opinion. Roy Hibbert, rookie. But you got to stay healthy, brother. Here's a Metal Universe. Actually, it's just serialized of Rashard Lewis, 48 of 50. It's in red. So apparently anything with red in this set is numbered, from what I see so far. Here's a Brandon Roy close-ups. Here's the Paul Pierce close-ups. A lot of close-ups. Here's a Metal Universe rookie of Ryan Anderson. Nothing too thrilling in this box yet. And Orlando Tucker's alright, I guess, as an auto. The dual jersey is pretty cool. That's not bad. What the hell am I doing? Why am I showing you a base? I don't know what I'm doing anymore, people. Kobe Bryant close-ups. Here's a Ben Wallace close-ups. And here's a Metal Universe rookie of Costa Koufos. Halfway through this. Actually, not halfway through. We only got 4 packs left. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I must be really tired or something. Who the hell knows? Kevin Durant close-ups. There's a Metal Universe, 2 Metal Universes, one of Paul Pierce and one of Chris Paul. There's the Chris Paul. And there's the Paul Pierce. Alright. Whoops. There's a larger-than-life jersey of Monta Ellis. So that's 2 memorabilia cards. Here's a LeBron James close-up. Here's a Metal Universe of Al Horford. And a Metal Universe rookie card of Joe Alexander. And here's another good one. Here's a jersey rookie preview of OJ Mayo. There you go. Jerseys have been pretty nice between the dual LeBron Arenas and the OJ Mayo. So pretty good stuff. Not bad at all. Al Horford close-up. And a Dwight Howard close-ups. Way too many of these close-up cards. They're probably not going to fetch you much more than a base anyway. At least I don't think. And here's a J.J. Hickson rookie. Too bad you're on the Cleveland Cavaliers, J.J. Too bad for your career. I know, I'm a mean son of a bitch. Here's Kevin Garnett close-ups. And that's it. That's going to end it. So the hits of the box were the Orlando Tucker auto, the OJ Mayo jersey, Monta Ellis jersey, and the LeBron James Gilbert Arenas dual jersey. All right, not bad. Pretty decent product, I guess. So, you know, for you guys who want a mid-tier thing, mid-tier product, not bad, not bad. All right, see you guys for the next vid. Peace.